Hi guys, today we are making a real cake. And then we are going to open this box and then get the cooking things. Here we go. We don't need this. Oh yeah. We are done doing what comes with the cake. So here we go. To meet this, Daddy. And we're gonna put a little bit of this. Yes, stir it. Make it cut. Now you have to put your hand like it's waiting. Okay, it's ready. That looks good. Now we just need to put it down. Now you just need to. Okay. Okay. It is now pink for pink.
Hold on, Odin.
Daddy.
Hold on, Odin.
Daddy. Okay, we are done. Now we just need to put the candles in. What are you doing? I'm making a video. Oh, get away! I'm making a video. Daddy, just play with me.
Hold on, Odin.
Down right here. All the candles go in the front.
I'll help you, Odin. Hold on. Okay, do you like the cake? Okay. Thanks for joining my video. Bye-bye.